Hey guys, Ali here, and today I'll be introducing you guys to the power of mobility on FIeldomobify. So what mobility does is that the power of mobility is helping many organizations to implement the process even at field. And this also includes the combination of cloud and mobile brings great value with affordability and ease of use for all users in organizations. So why should you choose FIeldomobify? Because many times field operators need a lot of information while working in the field. They have to call office for the information and accordingly take decision at site. The major work or core part of field service organization is done at field. And this also includes offices maintains the data and thus strategy, planning, and coordination. And many times, office management need to know what is happening at site, so they can better manage the customer expectation. FIeldomobify is the system which helps to connect office to the field and field to the office. It helps to all operations at field so that the tactical plan created by supervisors is executed. It helps to efficient execution of strategy decided by management, such as energy-saving solution companies should have installation of different battery at site, and there can be multiple contracts of customers as well. And another great example is fumigation company should have to do fumigations on vessels of specific size. It also should have contracts, locations, and etc. And FIeldomobify also includes solution features, which includes customer system, service job orders, verification, such as skills, parts, and locations, dispatch, such as parts and resource, and sourcing, execution, such as time and location and parts. So what this means is that the typically field service organization are working on system and parts installed at site. And company has either service order of installation or job order of preventive maintenance or breakdown maintenance or any particular service like fumigation and etc. Also, the execution requires skillful resources and parts and location details so that the operator can reach on the same location. Dispatcher, manager, or coordinator manages the schedule of sending materials and parts and resource, and sometimes they source it from outside vendors too. The execution is always at client site. The execution time, location, and material consumed at site is the most important data point from organization perspective. Here comes the power of mobility. With mobile devices, all these are easily added to system. This also reduces the post-data entry work and helps organization to get real-time data. And another great solution features in FIeldomobify is system also helps to create invoices on each service call and track amount pending and identify the age of pending invoices. Also, the field operator is able to see the history records on the particular asset or site for a particular customer. And at FIeldomobify, you can also assign tasks to resource for particular time based on availability and assign territory. So what this means is companies are using the system for scheduling the service call for full week, month, and year too. Scheduling helps to manage the skillful resource and territory-wise teams. The Google-like calendar control helps dispatcher to manage urgent calls and call ration for each technician and balance on travel required. The field technician is connected via mobile app and he gets the service call with all details. This includes customer, location, site, work details, history, and etc. immediately. And as for service management, such as finding service calls and updating the service detail along with time and location from the field. This includes technician updates the service call as resolved once they perform at site. They also take photos of site, which helps organization to understand the site details with live photo. This also reduces the technician efforts of writing long essays into service reports. They can also easily convey with pictures and images. The mobile app helps organizations to get the signatures, feedbacks from their clients. This actually helps organization to understand the feeling of clients as well. Service organization need to know feelings along with real-life data to make organization better. And as for the field staff location, which means tracking the location of technicians and identify the available sources, which includes location captures are optional and conferable at different events. You can also capture a photo of site visit and getting signature of customers. After every 30 minutes into service schedule, this reduces the travel time during next visits as the app helps to view direction of the existing client. And another great feature is for contact management, which includes verifying the contract details, getting on-time renewals, and that means account manager always need to know the total amounts to be renewed in the next month, and the best served account in last month, and satisfaction reports. There are different contracts like AMC, on-call, and one-time service, and etc. Based on contact fidelity, the technician or the person who is managing inbound calls understand the amount to bill and end client with ease. And here are some solutions for your service growth. Online solution for mobile and in-house resource, planning and task scheduling, forecasting of resource, time and location-based reporting, management insight, inventory management, real-time customer interaction, and field service staff satisfaction. And last but not least, here are the benefits of FIeldomobify, which includes, as for customers, it's improved customer satisfaction, hassle-free service, and as for organization, it includes reduced operational costs and staff overheads and fuel expenses. Also, receive feedback on each service call and increase in customer retention. And as for management, it includes improved real-time visibility and location-wise business analytics and better control. And as for staff, it increased the productivity and paperless service. And that's it for FIeldomobify. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, then go right ahead and check it out.